Okay, the next thing you do is click on this then you click on OG, which is this. Click on it. Then in that space, click on it and insert your wallet address, which is gotten from the MetaMask. Then after you insert your wallet address, your MetaMask wallet address, then this one you input your asset password. Now if you don't know what asset password is, just follow this guide and get your asset password. Go back, click on me, this one, and click on me, click on personal settings. Then you see asset password. Click on asset password. And if this is the first time you are inputting your asset password, you just input your asset password. It must be different from your login password. So input your asset passwords. This is how to create an asset password. Okay, so after you do it, then you confirm it, and then you go back to our initial place and click on the airdrop, link your wallet address, insert the asset password, and then when you click it, they would give you facial verification. And after the facial verification, that is done. Once you see successful, then there is no need to panic. That's just how to do it. So if you find this video helpful, you can drop a like or subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, you can ask it on the comment section of this video, or you can also ask me directly. Have a nice day. Bye.